Hello guys. Yeah, this is van life for you, mate. Say, look at this, look. Chucking it down. Here we are in Avebury.
Yeah.
At the Avebury Henge. Yeah, it's
World's largest stone circle.
yeah. The weather's been shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna dress it up so it's all nice and lovely. It's shit. The van's getting all muddy. I'm getting all muddy. It's not nice.
You don't like mud.
We don't like mud. We like a nice clean van.
Have a look at the stones instead of swing it round. So what's the yours on the stone?
Village of Saloch. Anybody in the know will know what I just said. Christine knows, so I can't get away with it. There's another stone. All joking aside, guys, it's lovely here.
On a nice day.
On a nice sunny day, that would be absolutely perfect. But having said that, today it's okay. You know, we're making the most of it. Yeah, we've got our walking boots on. She's got a equi-dry robe coat thing on. The dogs have got their coats on. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Nice and toasty inside these coats we are. She'd go along.
This is where Charlie Dan is today.
And where's Charlie Van today? Let's have a little scan of the car park. Oh, there he is. Avebury car park. The National Trust car park.